Today we are standing at sMaak. sMaak is a catering company invented by students from the Erasmus University. The cooks that work here are two refugees. You can already smell the food from outside the building and it really smells delicious. So let's quickly have a look inside of their kitchen.
Okay.
Hi, Josephine.
Hi, Mariella. Welcome. Let's go straight to the kitchen, shall we?
Yeah, perfect.
That is a habit I never had.
sMaak itself started about 4 years ago, and we were primarily a catering business. And obviously, due to Corona, we were left in a situation where we couldn't cater in large venues anymore. So we had to go to the drawing board, rethink, and this Uber Eats idea came about.
So the team came up with a creative solution. Okay, let's then transition into like a food delivery service, which we're like taking off because every restaurant wants it to be a food delivery service, and people can only deliver food.
Yeah, we set this up primarily to help the refugees and to get good food out. And we saw a gap in the market, trying to exploit it.
And what kind of food does the refugees make?
So the refugees, we saw Medina from Syria and Iraq, and the food primarily comes from that area. So primarily Middle Eastern food. It was the founder's idea to name food after taste because our food is delicious. So it was just a play on words, I suppose.
And what is your favorite menu on the list?
My favorite food definitely has to be the chicken and rice.
I hate to be an original, but I think I'm going for the rice with nuts as well. It's like you think you know rice, but then you don't know rice. It's not like Western food almost, but you really sort of taste sort of the homemade food, like just the care that people put in there.